Continuous innovation is the key, and modernizing legacy applications is critical to achieve winning business outcomes. Hexaware, with its automate everything philosophy, helps transform your IT for superior customer experiences. How do we usher in the new? View a quick rundown of the Hexaware solution that helped a client with agility, speed and scalability to transform their customer experience for a banking sector client. The vital benefits achieved: modern IT implementation helped drive real results. Facilitated correction of process inefficiencies, smart automation reduced manual efforts, configurable and scalable design principles enabled flexibility and agility to change. Omni-channel customer experience enabled anytime, anywhere access. In a nutshell, this solution enhanced customer experience and delivered optimal ROI. APIs from the service layer were exposed to external stakeholders through API management frameworks, such as WSO2. Hexaware used the latest and best-of-breed, cloud-friendly technologies in tandem with low-maintenance services of predominantly utilized tools and applications. Our proprietary built-in tools provide effective results. Achieve tangible results on your investments, increased productivity and reduction in cycle time with Hexaware's superior solutions. For more details, contact marketing@hexaware.com.